Welcome to today's Explainer. Look, I'm putting on my career coach hat for you today because we are looking at something incredibly exciting, starting your very own AI side hustle or freelance career from absolute scratch. If you've been watching the news, seeing everyone talk about artificial intelligence and thought, well, I have zero AI experience, I completely missed the boat, I am here to tell you that you are exactly where you need to be. We're looking at a 2026 guide today that's going to serve as your ultimate beginner's blueprint. I'm going to treat you like a curious student who's ready to just take that first actionable step.
Okay, let's kick things off with a quote directly from our source material that I absolutely love. You do not need years of technical experience to start. Anyone can build a side hustle or even a full-time career. If you take absolutely nothing else away from today's explainer, please remember this. The technical barrier to entry is completely gone in 2026. You do not need to know a single line of code to succeed. Literally, if you can type instructions into a chat box, you can build a profitable career or a nice side income.
So, here is our coaching syllabus for today. First, why businesses need you now. Then, 3 ways to start earning. Next, your essential AI toolkit, followed by a step-by-step success roadmap. Then, we'll look at how human creativity meets AI. And finally, 3 pitfalls to avoid. Let's dive in.
Section 1. Why businesses need you now. The market opportunity.
You know, businesses right now are desperate for specific help. Just think about customer support. Agencies need chatbots and automated replies to handle a flood of client inquiries. In administration, they're craving automated appointment scheduling so they don't have to play phone tag all day. For operations, they need automated CRM workflows and data entry to just keep things organized. And over in marketing, AI helps structure their email campaigns and SEO. Agencies are using these specific AI automations to scale their client output efficiently. And guess what? They need you to actually set them up.
So the bottom line is this. When you learn these AI skills, you aren't just selling AI services. No way. You're selling businesses their 2 absolute favorite things on the planet: save time and reduced costs. By mastering automation, you become an invaluable asset to literally any company looking to streamline their operations.
Section 2. 3 ways to start earning. Turning demand into income.
Now, if you were just starting out with zero experience, please don't try to boil the ocean. I want you to focus on just one of these 3 highly popular beginner-friendly freelance paths. These are services you can start offering on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork almost immediately. We've got AI content writing, AI graphic designing, and selling digital products.
Let's look at that first one. AI content writing. Websites, YouTube channels, startups, they all need a non-stop flow of content. You can use AI tools to instantly draft SEO blogs, product descriptions, emails, you name it. The AI basically gets you a rough first draft in seconds. Then you step in as the human editor. You improve the quality, check the facts, and bring it up to a polished professional standard before handing it off to the client. Then there's AI graphic designing, which has completely changed the game. You don't need a formal fine arts background or years of experience with complex design software anymore. AI image generators make creating digital art incredibly easy. You can generate logos, YouTube thumbnails, and marketing ad creatives literally just by describing what you want to see. It's wild. The third path is selling digital products. Now, this is an incredibly smart strategy for generating passive income. You can use AI to help you create specialized AI prompts, design templates, or write informational ebooks. You put in the work to create the whole shebang once, list it online, and then it just generates continuous income every time someone downloads it.
Section 3. Your essential AI toolkit. Keep it simple.
As a curious student, you're probably wondering, okay, what software do I actually download? Here is your focused beginner toolkit. Master just these 3 powerful tools before you try expanding into anything else. Use ChatGPT for your content writing, brainstorming, and SEO optimization. It's super beginner-friendly. Grab Canva AI for your basic graphic design and layout needs. And if you really want to dive into highly advanced, stunning image generation, look into Midjourney. That's it. That's your starting lineup.
Section 4. The step-by-step success roadmap. Your action plan.
All right, here is a highly realistic timeline to hit that first paid goal. Week 1. Choose just one skill. Seriously, don't try to be a writer and a video editor at the same time. Just pick writing. Week 2. Focus entirely on learning your tool, like ChatGPT, and practicing your prompting. Week 3. Build practice projects. Write 3 sample blog posts for a totally imaginary client, just to build your portfolio and your confidence. By week 4, you are ready to start freelancing, offering affordable beginner services and improving as you take on real clients.
Now, during week 2, you're going to be learning prompt engineering. It sounds technical, but it's really just the skill of designing highly specific instructions to get much better results out of the AI. Instead of typing something basic like write a blog, a good prompt engineer types write a 500-word SEO-optimized blog about coffee for a friendly millennial audience. Learning prompt engineering is absolutely crucial for your long-term freelance success, because the better your prompts, the better the work you deliver.
Section 5, Human Creativity Meets AI, the reality check.
Let's be real for a second. Pure AI output is incredibly fast, yes, but it's often kind of generic and completely lacks human emotional understanding. It has no soul. But AI combined with human creativity, that is original. That is personalized. That combination actually solves real business problems. Businesses don't just want AI, they want a professional human being who knows how to wield AI as a productivity multiplier. Your communication, your problem solving, your unique perspective, that's what agencies are actually paying for.
Section 6, 3 pitfalls to avoid, staying successful.
So, as your coach, here are 3 pitfalls you must avoid. Step 1, never expect instant overnight money. AI is a powerful tool, sure, but freelancing is a real business that requires consistency. Step 2, avoid copy-pasting unedited AI content. Always edit and personalize those outputs before delivering them to a client. Step 3, never ignore your own human creativity. Don't get overly reliant on the tech. Your own research, your editing skills, your marketing understanding, those are your true long-term assets.
Well, there you have it. The tools are literally sitting there, ready to automate workflows, reduce costs, and scale businesses efficiently. The demand from the market is clearer than it's ever been. By the end of 2026, the people who hesitated are going to be working for the people who started today. The only question left is, are you going to watch the AI wave pass you by, or are you going to ride it straight to your first paycheck?